Yes, so my beautiful people, on a day, welcome back to Samizi Infotainment, another special edition of Talk Am As You See Am with your humble boy, Samizi, one of Africa and diaspora. And I know the way they beef today, now the first time to come across my video, to come across my channel, my brother, my sister, I better put your hand for that red button, I beg, and make me the very time. Make you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, put on for all as you press on. So that anytime we put new video, now you'll be first person we go get the notification. Thank you to those with the share, thank you to those with the like, with the drop comment. I say God bless you. Today, more the reason why we are here. Aujourd'hui, on y va. For France, our president don burst out yesterday for in speech. He say from on the 22nd of June, which is next week Monday, he say all school, all nursery, college, everything, bogboti. He say everybody go back to school. It's obligatoire now for you to return back to school. He say he don declare victory over the first phase of coronavirus. He say as the country don get victory over this coronavirus, Part 1, we premier part 2, non con. You understand what I mean?
Les crèches, les écoles, les collèges se prépareront à accueillir à partir du 22 juin tous les élèves, de manière obligatoire et selon les règles de présence normales.
He said now schools can go back, children can go back to schools and let the teaching and learning continue in the countryside. You know what I mean? And he doesn't talk. He say based on this Black Lives Matter, where they happen for the country, for America, so he say he not go remove any statue from in country. He say we not go erase any name come up for history. He say history is history. He say we have to honor the history the way the history did. Though the thing not too much for France the way it did for America, but the way he talk, he say no one statue will be removed for the sake of all those kind of matter where they go on, where people they protest about racism matter or police brutality, all those kind of matter join together. He say no statue will be removed, no history will be erased. So anybody name that day history they come from France, it go remain. So that is to say, understand? You might say wise man. For those of you who never seen how they talk this video, although na French they talk, oh yeah, viens voir.
Ce combat est inacceptable lorsqu'il est récupéré par les séparatistes. Je vous le dis très clairement ce soir, mes chers compatriotes. La République n'effacera aucune trace ni aucun nom de son histoire. Elle n'oubliera aucune de ses œuvres. Elle ne déboulonnera pas de statues. Nous devons plutôt lucidement regarder ensemble toute notre histoire, toutes nos mémoires. Notre rapport à l'Afrique en particulier, pour bâtir un présent et un avenir possible, d'une rive l'autre de la Méditerranée, avec une volonté de vérité et en aucun cas de revisiter ou de nier ce que nous sommes.
She be Dosian, he don't talk and so as he talk and so it be. So make we respect the way your own opinion for inside this matter. Understand me? Okay. For you, make sure say you carry your pikin go school. If you know say you not carry your pikin go school, you go call Mr. President. You tell him say time never reach for you to carry your pikin go school. And we'll go straight to the other news. Yes, Germany Minister of Interior, what they call COFA. Not be that guy where they produce music for Kiss Daniel, where they call GOFA. Not be that one. Not the man that be this. He don't boss out. He said they go accept asylum seekers with the newly, all those migrants with the newly rescue. Some day Malta, some day Italy. Because Italy don't cry. Say they don't too many. And they don't quarantine many from one side. So they don't agree. The Interior Minister said they go accept some from Malta and they go accept some from Italy. But it not specify. Say see how many number where they want carry. So any number where they carry, at least they try. As far as say no be being rescue the people. As Italy cry, and so they answer. Although of recent France still say they want collect from Greece. Migrant your food everywhere. Oh God. Una they cry they come. We'll dominate this in Europe. We'll pursue all over go Africa. We'll take over here. That's what the matter be. So as the man don't talk, he said they collect before based on the coronavirus pandemic. Now make them stop. As the coronavirus pandemic does still come and so it don't calm down small. So he said now they can continue to collect asylum seekers as they know say they'll feel carry rich. You understand what I mean? So it's a good move. They try for that one, and I say thank you to Mr. COFA for doing this, and thank you to Germany government as well for accepting to collect immigrants despite the crisis going on economically and ethically in health industry. We'll go straight to the other. Even for this George Floyd matter, we will see they talk about say Black Lives Matter, make them know they keep black anyhow like foul again. another officer he still get mad, another Abino where I know you know for whether one for come, whether they know they watch news or whether they don't know wetin they go on for the world or whether they not just care or whether na wetin they just born there to come do be that one o, me no come know. That one don see shoot person die. See na this Abino one na dey say so. Na Abino because if you see Oyibo na once na you take know am. He shoot the guy dey come from Shayo party. E be like na e baby birthday. As they celebrate the birthday finish, the guy say he drink 1.5 level. So and he no want me drive go house. Me come be saying they violate law. Now the guy tell say motor now he lie down. The person wey get the restaurant only dey one bowo. Now that one go call police say person dey sleep for inside motor. Oh man lo be motor or can where? It concern you. Why you be say you still go call police for that matter? Why you know you go meet am direct? Talk to am say oga, this one wey dey sleep for inside motor, e no dey safe for you. You fit waka go house or may I help you or may I find car for you may carry go house. That matter go for finish for there. You go call Abino, call for that. Me come kill am. As the Abino dey drag with am, the guy dey explain say see wetin happen. He dey talk to am normal, no even before you don't know, it's the officer say he wants to do test for am. Okay, no problem. The guy say no problem, do the test. As the guy don't do the test, he say okay, you drunk. Even if person put some more can't rub lips, you put that thing tester, he go must say drink day. Even if for the guy to fit answer the policeman for straight 5 minutes without they do ogoyo, they do ogoyo. Now that guy not too high like that. He just want to respect the law of the state. So this thing with this police officer do is very bad. As the guy wants to bagger, based on want me go jail for that kind of matter. Now police, the first shoot an electric shock. The electric shock, hold the guy. The guy is strong past electric shock. Before you know the police, this Abino, so he just carry gun come out and get 2 bullets. For those of you now who never look the video, oh yeah, viens voir.
I can't blame nothing on her. It was my decision. I said, hey, if she can't get her order together, and I'm not feeling uptight right now, I should park right here. Go to sleep. I'm not feeling I'm just not feeling right.
What do you mean you're not feeling right?
Like I said.
Do you think maybe that you had too much to drink and you realized that you shouldn't drive, so you parked?
I mean,
would that be accurate to say?
Yes, sir. Mr. Roth, yes.
All right, so your girlfriend dropped you off, you got into the car, you backed out, you pulled up, and you're like, damn, I'm too drunk to drive. And so you pulled back into the parking spot and parked.
I called her like, babe.
Oh, is that accurate?
If it's a couple moments I got on the phone with her.
Yeah.
I'm like, babe, hey, damn, you want number 1 or number 2 or?
But
she's like,
would you agree?
You take care of that. You're a man. You figure out what we're going to eat tonight.
All right, let's move past that. Would you agree that you've had too much to drink to drive?
I mean, I can focus, Mr. Ross. I can focus.
Would you agree that you've had too much to drink to drive?
I haven't had, to the point where I can't focus.
Okay.
I was a little tired ahead of her today because we just came from North Carolina.
Do you think that you're safe to operate a vehicle right
Absolutely,
now?
Mr. Ross.
And how much have you had to drink?
I had 1.5 margaritas, Mr. Ross.
1.5 margaritas?
Yes, sir.
Margaritas?
Yes.
Have you had anything else today? Any other type of drink?
No, sir.
You haven't had any daiquiris?
I haven't had no daiquiri. I had 1.5 little small cups of margarita, but I'm up now. Y'all got me up with this.
Got you up.
I'm up now.
I got you. Hey, will you take a preliminary breath test for me?
What's that?
It's a little handheld machine. I have you blow into it, and that lets me know if you're positive or negative for the presence of alcohol in your breath.
I've been drinking.
Okay.
I do say that.
Okay.
But I'm only going a few minutes down the road.
I got you. I'm just asking, will you take a preliminary breath test for me?
I mean, I don't know what it is.
I just said it's a little handheld machine. Lets me know if it's positive or negative for the presence of alcohol. That's part of my investigation.
You know it is the presence. I've been drinking.
I know, I can tell. That's just part of my investigation.
But like I said, if I have to park this car right here, right now, and walk,
it's just a yes or no. We don't need to go back and forth about it. It's just a yes or no.
But what if I take this test and I don't care about? I can walk home. I don't have to park.
Why would you walk home?
I just don't want to be in violation of anybody. I can walk. My sister's house is right here.
Do you think that you'd be in violation of something if you were to drive your vehicle?
If that's less possible for me to park here, lock the car up, and do everything that I need to do within the presence of you guys, I can just go home. I have my daughters there right now. My daughter's birthday was yesterday.
All right. Hold on, Mr. Brooks. Will you take a preliminary breath test for me? It's yes or no.
I don't want to refuse anything.
It's yes or no. It's completely up to you.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Just wait here while I grab.
Oh man.
So, trying to make sure, man, you're safe to drive. That's all.
I know, man. I just.
You scared me a little bit because you were sleeping in there. So that's why I was making sure you're okay. And then that's.
I know. You just doing your job.
All right, just take a deep breath in. Put your mouth over the mouthpiece. Go as hard as you can until I tell you to stop. Blah 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 blah. Stop. Very good.
I just had a few drinks. That's it.
How many?
1.5. Like I said, I was into the second cup. I wasn't even. I told her, babe, let's go because I'm hungry.
What kind of drinks did you have?
I'm not sure. It's something she ordered. She said top shelf or whatever.
Top shelf what?
I'm not sure. It was, like I said, it was her birthday and it was my daughter's birthday intent to, have a good time. And I said, babe, I'm hungry. Let's go. My baby's mom, she was there. I said, babe, go ahead. I'm cool. Here's the money for the blow up bed tomorrow. Here's the money for, to enjoy herself tomorrow. You want to give me a burger or something?
Right.
Just take me home. I'm ready to go.
So you had about 1.5 drinks, but you don't remember what kind of drinks they were?
No, sir.
All right.
I really don't.
All right. I think you've had too much to drink to be driving. Put your hands behind your back for me. Here, put your hands behind your back.
Shebi, you see, you carry shoot person. Now the doctors will examine the guy. They say the guy suffer from blood loss and organs destruction failure. You see, you carry shoot person. You carry they do this one way they happen now. You know if you toss your eye, don't see where this thing for happen now Atlanta. Even because of all this kind of shooting and killing, their chief of police, Madam Erica Shields, he resigned because matter don't too plenty for ground. Una see they put. Because they all give you gun, put bullet for yourself. You don't see animal to shoot. You don't see yourself or your picking for us to shoot. You see like another person and you want to go shoot. All this kind of thing they do, all this kind of racism. So make una stop her. You guys should stop all this nonsense. This is nonsense. Stop killing for free just because you have uniform and you have gun. All this thing not bad. So my people, the way to pay me pass. The boy see they talk to the officer say, a baby birthday yesterday, then the celebration they go do for the place. That one, not with the officer body. This officer. Although they don't say they don't fire in English. As you just shoot person, you want to say, and so you're rich. As you all do person like that, we also do you follow. Simple as ABC, AOMO. And people are better, all these people matter. And people now go see they cry, say they want to go that country. Now everything they pay me. Now be that. But Misha, they say now river they keep person, and water person see they drink. See here. Oh yeah. Go straight to the other news, my people.